Hey there, welcome to Abundance, and we are going to share with you the Techno group. It's Tekbika, I think is what it's called, but I call it Techno. It's just a small little group. Here is the wine pant and swing top. I love it. It is a nylon fabric. It's very, very comfortable. It feels really nice on. I've never really tried it on, but I really like it. I am wearing the trapeze top. It's $230. I'm wearing the large. It comes in 3 colors, the wine, and here's a navy group along with a pant. The pant is not a punto pant. It's sort of like a little barrel pant. It's got pockets. It's got pockets, and it's a pull-up pant with a, I think the front is a flat front. It also comes in this wonderful forest green. So each piece comes separately. You can have the forest top, forest pant, or together as a set. And then the wine. So there's also, here comes Sue coming out, and she is wearing the pant in navy, and she's also wearing a lovely top in navy, not one of the trapeze ones. Can you see yourself in there? Very good, very good. So it's got a little bit of purple here. It's got another wine color here, and it looks very, very cute on you. You're wearing a size medium.
I'm wearing a size medium.
You're wearing a size medium. And then there's another top that just has this little bit here on it, a little bit of color that would look really pretty with this navy blue pant. And then that's great. And then Evelyn is coming out wearing another top. This is actually one of my favorite tops because I love the color that's there. It's a lot of different colors. The wine is not the same as what I'm wearing. It sort of goes close, but doesn't match. And the black, she's wearing black. It's a black base here. There's no black Techno black pant, but you can wear this with any pant that you have. There's also, before, this reminds me of the top, but here's the dress version of it. Actually, only one lucky lady's gonna get this because it is completely sold out here, and I can't order anymore. So this is 308. It's the size 6. Really beautiful. The item that Evelyn's wearing is 230. And just to remind you guys, this is one of our monkey scarves. I have a lot of monkey scarves that just came in, actually 25 different colors. So expect to hear more about monkey scarves. So thanks so much. We're going to talk about Tekbika in another video.